Senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of remaining silent on the Sabrimala issue during his recent Kerala visit, alleging a tacit understanding between the BJP and the left front. Addressing an election rally in Adur ahead of the April 9th assembly polls, Gandhi claimed that the Congress was effectively contesting against a combination of the BJP and CPIM. He alleged that despite often speaking about religion, the Prime Minister did not raise the Sabrimala matter, which, according to him, indicated political alignment between the two parties. He further alleged irregularities involving temple assets by left leaders and said the Prime Minister's silence reflected indifference towards such issues. At another rally in Puttupalli, Gandhi also criticized the proposed amendments to the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, claiming they would restrict funding for most organizations while favoring groups linked to the RSS. He additionally expressed support for the idea of Kerala having a woman chief minister, drawing a positive response from the crowd.